I gave you my heart.
Yo, it's Edward once again. I'm going to unbox the Boya BY-MM1 Microphone. It is used by many vloggers and YouTubers for only $30. It is the cheapest and a better microphone than a $60 worth of mic. It is called the Mini Shotgun. Its counterpart is the Rode Video Microphone. This Boya MM1 is being used by many vloggers because of its easy to use, compact, you can carry it anywhere you want to go. It is the best for the budget-friendly mic for starting vloggers and YouTubers. You can also use it with your phone, tablets, DSLR, and video camcorders. This is the instruction manual from the box. It is well organized, well packed. The warranty card. As you can see, it is very small and very light. It has its holder, its cord from different kind of connectors that you're gonna be using it. It has its own pouch with its name, Boya, the name of the brand. This is a mic test with Boya BY-MM1 This is the test without the Boya MM1 Overview for the microphone of Boya MM1. It sounds great, a budget friendly for only $30. I really recommend this product. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Have a good day.